Have you ever wondered why some people draw others effortlessly? Hey there, welcome back to Glow Up Quick. Today, we're diving into something that can completely transform how people see and interact with you, how to boost your personality and be more approachable. Whether you're at school, work, or a social event, these tips will make you the kind of person people love to be around. So grab a notepad, and let's level up your social game. Let's get started. Point 1, smile, your superpower. A genuine smile is like magic. It disarms people, makes them feel comfortable, and signals warmth. But here's the key, it must be authentic. People can sense a fake smile from a mile away. Practice smiling in the mirror and think of moments that make you happy. A friendly smile creates an instant connection and sets the tone for a positive interaction. Remember, your smile is your logo, it leaves a lasting impression. Point 2, be a good listener. Want to become instantly likable? Listen more than you talk. People love feeling heard and valued. Practice active listening by nodding, making eye contact, and asking follow-up questions. For instance, if someone says, "I love traveling," respond with, "That's amazing. What's your favorite destination so far?" Listening shows empathy and makes others feel like they matter, which naturally makes you approachable. Point 3, maintain open body language. Your body speaks before you even open your mouth. Keep your arms uncrossed, maintain a relaxed posture, and face people directly when you're talking to them. Avoid fidgeting or looking at your phone, these habits create distance. Instead, lean slightly toward the person speaking to show interest. Open body language signals that you're approachable, friendly, and confident. Point 4, cultivate a sense of humor. Who doesn't love someone who can make them laugh? Humor breaks the ice and brings people together. Don't worry if you're not a natural comedian, you don't need to be. Share light-hearted stories or playful jokes that fit the context. The key is to keep it positive and avoid sarcasm or self-deprecation. A good laugh can create memories and deepen connections. Point 5, be kind and generous. Kindness costs nothing but pays huge dividends in social settings. Compliment someone's outfit, help a classmate with their project, or simply say thank you more often. These small acts of kindness make you memorable and likable. Generosity doesn't have to be material, it can be your time, attention, or words. When people see you as kind, they'll naturally feel comfortable around you. Point 6, be genuinely interested in others. One of the simplest ways to be more approachable is to take an interest in others. Ask about their hobbies, passions, or goals. Show curiosity without being nosy. For example, if someone mentions they play a sport, you could ask, "How did you get into that?" People love talking about themselves, and when you show genuine interest, it strengthens your connection. Point 7, work on your confidence. Confidence is magnetic, it draws people in. But let's clear this up, confidence isn't about being loud or showy. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. Practice good posture, make eye contact, and speak clearly. If you struggle with confidence, start by setting small goals and celebrating your wins. Over time, confidence becomes second nature, making you approachable and inspiring. Point 8, stay positive and upbeat. No one wants to hang out with a constant complainer. Your energy is contagious, so choose positivity. Focus on solutions instead of problems and look for the silver lining in tough situations. For example, instead of saying, "This class is boring," try, "How can we make this class more fun?" An upbeat attitude makes you the kind of person people want to be around. Point 9, be authentic. Finally, be yourself. Trying to be someone you're not is exhausting and unsustainable. Authenticity is attractive because it's rare. People gravitate toward those who are real and unapologetically themselves. Share your quirks, passions, and beliefs openly. Remember, the goal isn't to be liked by everyone, it's to attract the right people who appreciate you for who you are. So there you have it, 9 powerful ways to boost your personality and become more approachable. Remember, the most magnetic people aren't perfect, they're genuine, kind, and confident. Start applying these tips today, and you'll see the difference in how people respond to you. Now it's your turn. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing glow-up advice. See you in the next video.